Today I'm going to be working on my Toro lawnmower. Bought this from someone, and they said that it was running. I got off for a minute, wouldn't start back up. Started digging into it, and I've discovered it's got a blown fuse. And if you try to jump it, it just sparks. So that's telling me that this has a starter issue. This machine has a Polar Courage engine, which does turn over and has a good compression release. So I know this motor isn't blown. It's most likely an issue with the starter. Well, so far it's not turning. At least I can't turn it by hand. So I'll take it off and we'll go from there. We definitely had a mouse nest in this engine at one point. I'll have to vacuum that out before I run this. Doesn't appear that the mice chewed any of the wires. So I got the starter off. Both the bendix and the shaft is seized. Cut back to when it's unseized. So I managed to unseize the starter. Time to bench test it just to see if this even works whatsoever. Moment of truth. Just like that, we now have a working starter. Well, I got the starter back on. Got it boosted. See if this starts. Talk about cold starts. I never had no choke on or anything. Well, off camera, I tried to see if it would drive. It drives in both forward and back. The deck engagement, the belt is off one of the pulleys, which I'll do that off camera. I gotta clean what's left of the mouse nest out of the shroud, clean this up, and this will be one nice little mower. Only 172 hours. Picked this up today. This will be my next project. It's a JCPenney garden tractor. Hasn't been run in who knows how many years.